Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano. In today's video, we're going to be doing an update to the Samsung Galaxy A03s. Stay locked in with me. Yo, what's going on, guys? So recently it was announced that the Samsung Galaxy A03s was going to get the Android 12, and I had to see it for myself, right, to determine whether it was real or not. But after checking it out on my device, one of the things I noticed is that it actually is true. So one of the things I did to get this thing started with the Android update to 12 4.1 One UI is click this gear icon, scroll down to the bottom of the device. You can see it's whenever you see that orange symbol with the N inside of it, you know that you got the update. So you just want to hit that, and then right here you're going to see right here that it says download and install. So this is actually a patch for the June security patch, but also for One UI Core 4.1 upgrade to Android 12. And it says right here that One UI Core 4.1 brings a wide array of new features and enhancements to your Galaxy devices, making it more intuitive, more fun, more secure, and easier than ever. So there's a large amount of features that this thing is bringing to the device. So I kind of want to go over through this with you thoroughly, so you could kind of see what I'm talking about, because it's an enormous amount of things that we're going to be talking about. So make sure you stay to the end of the video if you're brand new to the channel. I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new, but if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Alright, so let's just jump into it right now, guys. And you can see right here it says color palette is the first one. That's where when you go into your wallpapers, it's going to match it with different colors that can be applied to buttons, menus, backgrounds, and apps throughout your phone. It's also going to give you the privacy permissions, so info at a glance, so you can see each app, what each app accesses sensitive information like location, camera, microphone. You got the indicator for microphone and camera, so it's going to have a green dot at the top of your device whenever you're using those. You'll get approximate location to keep your exact location private. You can set that up so the apps don't exactly know where you are. Clipboard protection, so it keeps the passwords and credit card numbers and things of that nature safe. Now this is where it's talking about Samsung keyboard. It's going to say that you have Samsung keyboard is about expressing yourself and having fun, so you're going to get new emojis, stickers, animated emojis, and even paired emojis, so you could combine two emojis together, more stickers, writing assistant, so you can keep your grammar and spelling on point. You also have home screen updates, so where your favorite apps and features are just one tap away. Helps you keep your home screen looking at its best all the time. A new widgets design, so it'll be a redesigned, a better look than ever. Easier widget selection. Having trouble finding the right widget, you can now quickly scroll through the widget list to see what's available in each app. Then they have lock screen updates, so you could use use widgets to quickly handle tasks, you know what I'm saying, without unlocking your device. You could also listen where you want, so switch audio from your buds to your speakers from the lock screen. You also get voice recording. So if you use the voice recorder memo, you can do that without unlocking your device, and the calendar and schedule at once without unlocking it. So it's pretty solid there too. Let me see something real quick. Okay, so the other thing that it's offering is some new features inside of the camera. It says enjoy simpler layout, take pictures and videos. The scene optimizer button only appears in photo mode. If there's low light, you're scanning a document, portrait and night mode settings are now tucked away and more intuitive. You have the lens and zoom. So lens icon shows the magnification level, so you can know how much you're zoomed in. That's something that's pretty cool too. If you're still here, just comment down below, say I'm still here, so I know you're still rocking with me. But I'm going to continue to go through the list of features that the Samsung Galaxy A03s is offering, okay? So it says right here that the video never misses a moment. recording starts immediately after tapping the record button instead of when you release it, so you don't have to wait. So if you hold the shutter button while recording a quick video, you could drag your finger to the lock icon to continue recording without having to hold down the shutter button. Pro photography, also enhanced stories and easier albums, worry-free mastering, and control over more information. Sometimes your photos and videos need a few tweaks, so you can actually get better looking editor for your photos and stuff like that. So a lot of cool features with this device that I'm seeing here. I have this thing on my Samsung Galaxy A23, A13, and Samsung Galaxy A32 as well. I'm still waiting for it to come to the Samsung Galaxy A12, so I'm still waiting for that. But you can see right here, it does also say you have Sharon, so the UI helps you get connected with the share button. Just tap the share button in any app. Easier navigation, so new layout with better navigation makes sharing a breeze. Swipe left and right to scroll through the apps and contacts when you're sharing. You get more calendar features, add new events. It says right here you can actually check your schedule on the home screen with new widgets, and shows your schedule for the day along with a full calendar for the month. More search options, so you've got more ways than ever to find your calendar and events from the recent search keywords, filter by color and sticker, share with others, easier date and time selection, discover and delete events. In 30 days you can delete them and they'll stay locked into the feature there. Samsung Internet, which is going to be more improved. It's going to say that it's faster and more secure, and now makes it easier to find web pages you're looking for. Search suggestions inside of there. Search from home screen, start and screen secret mode. Then you get device care right here for, you know what I'm saying, battery and security at a glance. Battery and security issues will appear right on the main screen, so you can solve problems more quickly. You could also understand your phone's overall status. Your phone's overall status is shown as an emoji, so you can understand it instantly inside of the device care. And then it says right here that accessibility features are improved, so always there when you need it. Adjust your screen at once. Eye comfort, customizable flash notifications, so you can customize the colors for each app, so you can easily determine where your notification is coming from. It's going to have more features and improvements. So enhanced dark mode, charging at a glance, easier brightness control, safety and emergency settings, manage your emergency contacts and safety information in one place, settings and search enhancements. And I know I'm flying through this, but make sure you stay locked into the end of the video so you don't miss nothing, right? We also do have skip and alarm. Just once you feel like you're sleeping in, just turn it off, and it will turn back automatically after it's skipped. Day or night at a glance. Switch from calls to text, so text not cutting in, tap in the person's name and the top conversation to see their details or start a voice or video call. More search results in messages. Enhance edge panel, so keep your current app in view while using edge panels. But oh yeah, we're almost done. So resizable picture-in-picture. If a floating video is getting in the way, pinch the fingers to make it smaller. And want to see more speed, spread your fingers. Want to see more, spread your fingers apart to make it bigger. You can access the pop-up Windows options for easy multitasking. You could pin the Windows option menu to the top of the window to make it easier to access. And then they have some updates here for your voice recorder, Samsung Notes add-ons, Samsung Internet, Samsung Notes calendar, and Galaxy Shop. So we're gonna hit download, and it should take about, I would say, like 15 minutes or something to completely update. But when it finishes updating, I'm gonna get right back with you. But let me just check out the software right now as it is and kind of fly through it. So you do get QR mode right here, Dolby Atmos. If you click the plus sign, you get some more features here that aren't really, that I have everything that I need here. So everything's here that I use. Internet sound, flashlight, mobile hotspot, power saver, quick share, nearby share, eye comfort, dark mode. And this is where you can change between the Bluetooth devices easier as well. You can see the brightness bar is right down here. It's at full brightness right now, so I'm just going to touch that. You have adaptive brightness when you touch that. So just a lot of cool features on here that we're going to just jump into. You can see right here, but let's just wait for this thing to download. But this is a really solid device. I really like using the Samsung Galaxy A03s. But let's just wait for it to update, and then I'll get right back with you when it's actually, you know, finished updating. So this is the update right here, the screen. Let me click that, and so it should be finished in just a second. I'll get right back with you. All right, guys, so the software update is now available. I'm gonna go ahead and unlock my device, and you can see right here, all I have to do is hit install now. So let's go ahead and wait for it to install all of the software onto the Samsung Galaxy A03s. So you can see right here, it's gonna get that ready. I'm gonna pause the video real quick so you don't have to wait through that, okay? So we have been finishing the update process here. This basically, I gotta set it up with the PIN number, and now I can get into the device. It says your phone has been up to date, updated. So let's just check the software on here. I noticed the smaller font automatically. Like you can see that the notification panel is a little bit more tight. Let's see if there's any new enhanced features on here as far as the new features that are going to be available. It's still loading up, so it's going to take some time for it to get that done. So I'll check back in just a second. Let's see. Waiting for it to check up. Still waiting for it to, you know, finish updating. So let's go ahead, kind of wait a few seconds for it to load up with everything that's on board here now. So like I said, we talked about all the features in the beginning of the video. Swiping down right here, little bit of pause, little bit of delay. Okay, so now you can see this is now a different, instead of being that straight line, the volume thing is now that full bar on the bottom. So a little bit tighter design here. Let's click here now and see if they give us, okay, so they give us the microphone access now. I see kids mode is now up here as well. So those are the two new features that we got for the notification panel. I'd add those right in so we can get access to those. Okay, and pretty straightforward. Let's check out the widgets. We're gonna click, first let's click wallpaper first. I wanna check out wallpaper first. Let's jump into the widgets after. You can see the, now they're gonna give you lock screen wallpaper services. They give you the palette also. So you could choose between the color palette of your choosing here. It's got that one UI where you could use it one-handed because it's going to cut down on the screen size and make it half of a screen so you could easily toggle through it. Everything like that. Let's go back. Let's check out widgets now. But that's pretty much what I wanted to show you, that this thing does have Android 12 on here. You can see the widgets layout is completely different. It's more optimized, still loading up, and you know, the device care is going to be here with the emoji to show your status. Now let's click here, add that to the home screen. I'm going to put it on the third page over here. Let's put it right down here. Okay, so now let's click that. It was saying that now, like, you could check the status of your phone by basically seeing the little icon right here. It says my phone is optimized. So I just cleaned my phone by tapping that, which is kind of cool. But just want to let you guys know that Android 12 is now available for the Samsung Galaxy A03s. I'll make sure to drop down the cheapest links to this device down below so you could actually check it out for yourself or whatever. And if you're interested in checking this guy out, it's going to be available. But let's go into software info so I can show you guys the recent update and stuff like that. So now it is running Android 4.1, Android 12 with the June 1st security patch. So that's pretty much everything I wanted to cover in this video. But performance wise, it should hold up pretty well as far as like overall performance. I'm testing out the fingerprint sensor to see if there's any optimization here. It still feels pretty decent as far as the speed. So nothing too crazy, but hopefully you guys did find this video helpful. I'm going to get right back with you. I'm going to check you guys later. I'm going to show up in the comment section, answer all your questions, and you know what I'm saying, make sure you watch another video right after this one. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, depending where you are. Have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.